If you get the error, "We couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face," then watch this video to learn how to resolve this annoying issue. This tutorial applies to Windows 11 and Windows 10.
First, open Start and type Settings. Open Settings. Click on System. Locate Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Locate Camera. Press Run. Wait for your camera to be repaired. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Cameras. Right-click your camera and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your camera driver. Press Next. Now your driver should be installed. Close the window and restart. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Settings. Open Settings. Open Privacy. Click on Camera. Enable camera access to this device. Enable Allow apps to access your camera. Scroll down and check if your app can access your camera. If your app is disabled, just turn it on. Enable this so your desktop apps can access your camera. Now close your window. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Cameras. Right-click your camera and select Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart. Now your problem should be fixed.